Hey folks, this geometry lesson will get you ready for your test on Chapter 8, which is on quadrilaterals and parallelograms and trapezoids and kites and rhombus, rectangles, and oh my, all kinds of stuff. Okay, find the value of x. Okay, remember the sum of the angles equals n minus 2 times 180. So n is the number of sides or the number of angles. So just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 5 minus 2, which is 3. 3 times 180 tells me that that's going to add up to 540. So 3 times 180 is 540. So add them all up, make them equal 540, and you get that last angle to be 90 right there. Okay, you get x equal to 90. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, here, again, n minus 2 times 180, so just count the angles up. That's how many sides there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 times 180 is 1080. So go ahead and add all those up to be 1080. Combine the like terms and solve for x, and I got 83 1/3. My textbook got something else. I checked it again, so I don't know if I'm just tired or what, but I got 80 1/3, 83 1/3. My textbook got 28 1/3, so I don't know. Something. Anyways, let me double check, make sure that wasn't outside. No, that was inside angles. Okay, on this one, you guys, these are exterior angles, so exterior angles add up to 360 no matter how many sides there are. But right here, be careful, that 148 is an inside angle, so what I got to do is get this outside angle because this straight line is 180, so 148 plus 32 more gets me that outside angle. Now I can add up all the outside angles to be 360. Outside angles are 360 all the time. All right, and I get x equals 68 on that one. All right, okay, this is a trapezoid, and the theorem goes if a segment joins the midpoints of the legs of a trapezoid, and this is the midpoint because those two sides are equal and those two sides are equal. If a segment joins the midpoint, then this is half the sum of these guys, so half of 19 plus 31. Okay, so I get 25 degrees, or not 20, it's not degrees, sorry you guys, there's no degree symbol right there, it's 25. Sorry, I don't know what I'm thinking, you guys. All right, so it's just 25, it's not 25 degrees. Okay, I'm thinking angles. Okay, here, same reasoning, you guys. This is a trapezoid because of these parallel lines right here, and this is the midpoint because that equals that, and this equals this. So this mid segment right here is half x plus 0.6. So 0.5 equals 1/2 x plus 0.6. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can multiply by 2 if you want, or you can distribute the half through. I think I distributed the half through, and then I subtracted 0.3, and then multiply by 2, and I get 0.4. Okay? You could have multiplied by 2 at the beginning and then got rid of the half, and you would have got 1.0 equals x plus 0.6, and then subtract 0.6. Okay, find the values of each variable in the parallelogram. Okay, so they say they're parallelograms here. Opposite sides are equal, so these two sides are equal, and these two sides are equal right here. Okay, so b plus 1 equals that 6, and then 2a plus 14 equals, I'm sorry, 2a plus 4 equals this 14, so solve for a and b. Okay, same here, opposite angles are equal, so I'm going to go, actually this one not going to work that well. I'm going to have to use these two guys, add up to 180, so a plus 3a is 180, so a is 45. And then a plus b over here equals 180, so 45 plus b is 180, and you get 135. Okay, here the diagonals bisect each other, so if you set those equal to each other, this piece equals this piece, and this piece equals this piece right here. Okay, let's see. So we got a kite here. Find the measure of angle n. Okay, kites. These two angles are always equal. Okay, these two angles are always equal. So V equals 75. Okay, this one here, these two angles are equal, so I'm going to call them X. All right, so those two angles are equal. Add them up to be 180, and you get 98. Okay, the sum of the angles of a regular convex polygon is 3960. How many sides? And what is each angle? I'm getting some company coming. So n minus 2 times 180 equals that. Divide by 180, you get 24 sides. And since it's a regular polygon, they're all equal to each other. So go ahead and take the 3960 and divide it by the 24 equal sides. and that should be, should be a fraction right there, so divided by 24 equal sides. And you get 165 degrees, okay? So 24 sides, each angle is 165 degrees. All right, if you're in my class, I'd assign that as your homework. Take care, you guys.